my young explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 19th of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions. Right? So यहाँ पर हम बात कर रहे हैं conjunctions के बारे में. So what are these conjunctions? Conjunctions are basically the joining words, right? यानी कि जिन वर्ड्स को यूज करके हम कुछ वर्ड्स, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स या सेंटेंसेस को आपस में ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं, उन्हें कहा जाता है कंजंक्शंस. बिकॉज दे हेल्प अस टू ज्वाइन दीज वर्ड्स, group of words or the sentences, they are also known as the joining words. So, let us begin with the chapter now and talk about these conjunctions. So, it is a word which joins words, phrases, or sentences is known as a conjunction. ऐसे वर्ड्स जो ज्वाइन करते हैं वर्ड्स को, फ्रेजेस को या फिर सेंटेंसेस को, उन्हें हम कंजंक्शन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एंड, बट एंड और. करेक्ट? नाउ there are two main kinds of conjunction. दो अलग अलग conjunctions के तरीके होते हैं. Coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Right? These are the two kinds of conjunctions. So, सबसे पहले पढ़ते हैं coordinating conjunctions के बारे में. Right? So, what are these coordinating conjunctions? The chief coordinating conjunctions are, तो कुछ coordinating conjunctions हमें यहाँ पर दी गई हैं. Let's see them. And, but or both, and, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. Right? These conjunctions join pairs of nouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, phrases या फिर clauses. ये जो conjunctions हैं, ये pairs of nouns, adjectives, adverbs, verbs, phrases या फिर clauses को आपस में join करती है. Right? So, for example, we can say, he plays squash and badminton. I make the payments and keep the accounts. She works quickly but carefully. He is small but strong. He is intelligent but lazy. We came in first, but we didn't win the race. Both men and women were invited in the seminar. Call Sohan or Shyam. He can't either read or write. You can either walk up or take an auto. She can neither read nor write. Not only men, but also women were selected. Now, here we have a box to remember. Let's see what it says. Besides the above conjunctions, there are several other linking expressions such as so, for, if, though, therefore, yet, and so that. Right? कि इन conjunctions के अलावा भी बहुत सारी linking expressions होते हैं, जैसे कि ये सब, which can act as coordinating conjunctions, जो कि coordinating conjunctions के जैसा ही काम कर सकती है. Now, the conjunctions yet, if, though, so, and therefore. The conjunctions yet, if, and though, although can be used to introduce a contrasting item in a similar way to but. ये जो conjunctions है yet, if, though और although ये यूज की जा सकती है इंट्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कंट्रास्टिंग आइटम, जैसे कि हम बट को यूज करते हैं, राइट. सो द एग्जांपल्स आर द डिजाइन वाज सिंपल yet elegant. She spoke kindly yet firmly with the pupils. Our neighbors were very friendly if rather talkative. We had an enjoyable if rather difficult journey. John is a nice little boy, though a rather mischievous one. Shreya owns a handsome, although rather disobedient pet. The conjunctions therefore and so on, the conjunctions therefore and so can be used to add a conclusion. कि जो conjunctions है therefore और so ये यूज किए जा सकते हैं ताकि एक conclusion add on किया जा सके. It was an eye-catching, therefore effective ad. At night, our brain is tired, so less efficient. Right? Next, the conjunction as well as. Now talking about the conjunction as well as. So, as well as adds an item to one already known about. कि as well as जो है वो एक item add करता है एक ऐसी चीज के साथ जिसको हम पहले से ही जानते हैं. Right? So it is, she is beautiful. She has talent as well as beauty. Next, the hard work benefited me as well as them. But as well as can link other than nouns and pronouns as long as they match each other grammatically. But ये जो as well as है ये other nouns और pronouns को link कर सकता है, right? As long as they match each other grammatically. जब तक वो grammatically एक दूसरे के साथ match हो रहे हैं तब तक. So it is, I was surprised as well as pleased. Meaning adjectives. He led to the team sensitively as well as sensibly. Adverbs. I will be seeing the country as well as earning money. Present participles. I can skate as well as ski. Bare infinitives. He had directed the movie as well as edited in it. Past participles. He directs films as well as writes songs. Finite verbs. Next thing that we are talking about is coordinate clauses linked by coordinating conjunctions. अब coordinating clauses को हम कैसे link कर सकते हैं coordinating conjunctions के साथ? So it is, the coordinating conjunctions and but and or can be used to link two sentences so as to form one sentence. कि ये जो कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजंक्शंस हैं एंड और बट, ये एंड बट और ये यूज की जा सकती है दो सेंटेंसेस को आपस में लिंक करने के लिए, ताकि उन दो सेंटेंसेस को फ्रेम जॉइन करके हम एक ही सेंटेंस बना सके. The two sentences which are joined together by coordinating conjunctions are coordinate clauses. कि जो दो sentences हैं जो एक साथ join किए जाते हैं coordinating conjunctions की मदद से, उन्हें कहा जाता है coordinate clauses. They are both main clauses. ये दोनों ही main clauses है. They have equal status. इन दोनों का ही status बिल्कुल equal होता है. For example, Mayank is studying. Sahil is playing the video game. Mayank is studying and Sahil is playing the video game. Next, the day started hot. It improved later. The day started hot, but it improved later. Perhaps he missed the train. Perhaps the train is late. Perhaps he missed the train, or perhaps the train is late. Lata had not dusted the furniture. She had not washed the dishes. Lata had not dusted the furniture or washed the dishes. Next, we have a point to remember. Let's see what they are telling us in this. So it is, while using coordinating conjunctions, we can omit the subject in the second clause when it is the same for both clauses. जब हम coordinating conjunctions को use कर रहे होते हैं तो हम subject को omit कर सकते हैं second clause में, क्योंकि जो subject होता है वो दोनों ही clauses के लिए same होता है. Right? Just like she picked up the table, she began to play. So, इसमें अगर हम subject she को हटा दें तो ये बन जाएगा she picked up the table and began to play. I wanted to turn the music off. I could not find the switch. Right? I wanted to turn off the music but could not find the switch. Right? Next, it is possible to combine clauses using both and, either or, and neither nor. So, possible है कि हम clauses को combine करें इन सभी conjunctions को use करके, right? जैसे कि we have examples that says Tarun both developed the packages and executed them. People either liked the changes or disliked them. I had neither listened the story nor did I want to listen it. So, for, then, therefore, though or although, yet, so that, whereas, and while can also be used as coordinating conjunctions to link clauses. Right? तो ये सभी conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions भी use की जाती हैं अगर हमें clauses को आपस में link करना है तो. For example, I was getting late, so I decided to hire an auto. I did nothing, for there was nothing to do. He looked astonished for a moment, then relaxed. Lata had never been to a hill station, therefore knew nothing about its charm. Grandpa loves gardening, although he doesn't do much of it these days. He knew he might fail, yet kept on trying. They went for a long drive so that it was midnight when they reached home. I love pizzas, whereas my sister likes burgers. I enjoy football, while my brother prefers indoor games. Now, next that we have is subordinating conjunctions. So, अब अगर बात की जाए subordinating conjunctions के बारे में, right? So, let's see what are they. Subordinate conjunctions are classified according to their meaning. कि जो subordinating conjunctions है, ये इनके मीनिंग के बेसिस पर क्लासिफाई किए जाते हैं. They show reason, cause and effect, purpose, place, time, manner, comparisons, condition और contrast. Right? तो ये जो subordinating conjunctions है, ये क्लासिफाई किए जाते हैं इनके मीनिंग के अकॉर्डिंग. राइट? ये रीजन दिखाते हैं, कॉज या इफेक्ट बताते हैं, पर्पस, प्लेस, टाइम, मैनर, कंपैरिजन, कंडीशन या फिर कंट्रास्ट. राइट? नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमारे पास है बिकॉज, एज, सिंस या फिर फॉर, जो कि हमें रीजन एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. सो इट सेज he bought bread and butter because he was hungry. Because the main road was flooded, we had to take another way. As she was not there, I left the message with her neighbor. I go for morning walk every day as I know its advantages. Since you are so clever, you can tell the right answer. They went to live at a hill station since they liked cool and calm atmosphere. He took off his gloves for his hands hurt. Next we have so that, so, in order to, in order that, which shows purpose. Right? So it says, he worked hard so that he would earn lot of money. I go to bed early so I can do study in the early morning. I got up early in order to finish my homework. We had to unite the cattle in order that the animals could eat. Next, though, although, even though, in spite of, despite, show contrast. ये सभी वर्ड्स हमें कंट्रास्ट शो करते हैं. जस्ट लाइक though he is old, he walks fast. Manav played in the rain, although his father told him not to. Even though it was inaccurate on many points, I found the story interesting. In spite of her illness, she carried on playing. Despite his handicap, he was worked hard and become very successful. Now, next we have therefore shows cause and effect. Right? Therefore, जो कि हमें reason या फिर effect दिखाता है. So it is Priya cheated during the examinations. Therefore, she must be punished. It is where, wherever, everywhere. Shows place. ये हमें जगह दिखाते हैं. So it is where the building had been standing, there was nothing but barren land. We better go and park where those other bikes are parking. The crowd followed him wherever he went. Everywhere we traveled, we found nice hospitality. As if, as though, so that, जो कि हमें manner show करते हैं. Right? So it says, we solved the problem as we had been told. He looked as if he had been weary. Sahil was rushing along as though he was in a terrible hurry. Her hair hung so that it hid her eyes. Next, as, when, while, until, before, after, as soon as, जो कि हमें time express करते हैं. So let's see the examples. We all moved towards exit as the film came to an end. I always switch off the light when I go outside. I usually listen to music while I jog. He went on studying until the clock struck midnight. The burglar broke into the house before the residents came home. The thieves were caught after someone called the police. As soon as the teacher left, students started shouting. Next, so that और thus, जो हमें result दिखाते हैं, right? So it is, she was so ill, she did not go for the excursion. Abhay was the best runner in the team. Thus, he was chosen to represent the country in the cross-country race. We were so late for the film that we were not allowed in. It rained so heavily that the street turned into a river. Next, if और unless show condition. So ये if और unless हमें conditions दिखाते हैं, यानी अगर, right? So this, you can watch TV if you finish your homework. So this is showing the positive condition. Next, you cannot watch TV if you do not finish your homework. This is showing the negative condition. You cannot watch TV unless you finish your homework. So, this is also showing the negative condition. Next, we have a point to remember. Let's see what it is. Both the verbs need not always positive or negative. कि दोनों ही verbs ना तो पॉजिटिव हो सकते हैं और ना ही नेगेटिव. So, you will be punished if you learn your lesson. This is negative or positive, right? Both. You will be punished if you do not learn your lesson. So, यहाँ पर हमें दोनों ही conditions दिखाई जा रही हैं, negative as well as the positive also. The meaning of the sentence is important when using if and unless. कि sentences के जो meaning है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important होते हैं if और unless को जब भी हम use करते हैं तब. It can be before or in the middle of the sentence. कि ये sentence के पहले या फिर sentence के बीच में दोनों ही जगहों पर use किए जा सकते हैं. Now, the conjunctions as since, because, for, and in case are used to give reasons. कि जो conjunctions हैं ये सभी ये reasons देने के लिए use किए जाते हैं. They introduce the explanation which answers the question why. कि ये introduce करता है explanation जिसमें question why के answers हमें मिल जाते हैं. The conjunctions so that, in order that, and in case are used to state a purpose. कि जो conjunctions हैं so that, in order that, in case ये सभी use किए जाते हैं किसी purpose को state करने के लिए यानी बताने के लिए. They introduce the answer to the question what for. कि ये हमें question what for यानी किस लिए question का answer हमें provide करते हैं. Clear? If the phrase or clause with the conjunction comes at the starting of the sentence, कि अगर phrase या clause conjunction के साथ sentence के starting में आता है, we should put a comma to separate it from the main clause. हमें उसे main clause से अलग करने के लिए उसके पहले एक comma लगाना चाहिए. Right? The conjunctions if, then, as long as, provided that, unless, and in case are used to show condition. ये सभी conjunctions use किए जाते हैं conditions दिखाने के लिए. That is, they indicate what we can do. तो ये हमें बताते हैं, ये हमें indicate करते हैं, condition बताते हैं कि हम क्या चीज़ कर सकते हैं to achieve something, किसी चीज़ को पाने के लिए. right? So here we have the examples. Let's read them. If you study very hard, you will do well in your exams. You will not do well in your exams unless you study very hard. Next, the conjunctions so or so that and such that are used to show result. कि conjunction so that या फिर such that यूज किए जाते हैं रिजल्ट दिखाने के लिए, किसी भी चीज का परिणाम दिखाने के लिए, right? So again we have these examples. It says, she drove so fast that she received a speeding fine. It was such a cold day that we stayed inside. Right? So that was all about the chapter. I hope you all are clear with the conjunctions, their kinds, and their uses as well. So that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.